Alright, before we get started with this video, guys, I just have a couple things to say. First of all, I forgot to say this because I didn't know you actually had to do this before the video. So what you're going to need to do before you do any of this is you're going to have to defeat the Ghost Fleet at least one time before you're able to do this quest or relic. So make sure that you guys do go and defeat the Ghost Fleet world boss, spawn, whatever. There is a video on the channel, I'm pretty sure, if you look through all my videos, where you could kind of get some help on it. But yeah, and we have a new Discord for the YouTube or the stream and everything. It'll be in the description of this video. Feel free to join it and you guys can get updates to the stream and all the videos whenever I post them. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into this relic. How's it going, everybody? ABC here, and we actually are going to be doing a new video today. They just added a new relic ship into the game. Let me pull it up here in the relics table for you guys. Kind of just over here, it's called the Ghost Fleet Cutter. This is all the dialogue for it. You could kind of pause the video if you want to read it, but this is, as usual, a tutorial video for it. So basically, this is a really simple relic. It's probably the easiest one in the game. If you're kind of new to the game, I recommend that you do this one first, since it's a free ship that will never sink, since if it does sink, you just get it back. But yeah, it's pretty simple. All you really need to do is pretty much find some key fragments and then find the key and then go unlock something, grab the ship. That's pretty much simply it. You do need to fight a couple things. You might need to fight the two snipers and the crusher at the very end. So if you guys are doing this, I'm just gonna recommend you head over to the bartender or you reset and buy a couple things, a couple potions. The things I recommend you buy is basically just like demon powder, so you do a little bit more damage. Buy one max potion just so that you have that little bit of extra health, and then maybe pick up extra mega potion just so that you guys have some more health on top of that. Also make sure you have a shield with you, precursor if you can manage that, but if you can't, it's completely fine. So the first place we're gonna have to head to, guys, is we're going to need to go to Arc Isle, which if you look on the map, it's kind of right here. It's pretty simple to get to, and you basically just find 3 key fragments there, but I'm not going to show you guys me going all the way there, so I will simply just edit it and you guys will see once I get to the location. Alright, so we are back at Arc Isle, and the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to this little waterfall up here, and just above it you're going to find a crusher right here, and you will find the first dead body. It's pretty much just a map fragment. If you look on your map here, it's just kind of right here. Kind of hard to see me, but it's like near the middle. You just go up the waterfall and then talk to this little skelly right here, and simply like that. You could grab the chest as well because it's free money, and who doesn't like free money? But yeah, that is the first key. Now there is 2 more that you guys are going to have to go to. I could probably just do all 3 of them without even having to cut part of the video, since they're all pretty simply easy to get to. Should probably drink my HP potion here and whatnot, because we are taking somewhat of a pretty big amount of damage here. You guys gotta be careful because these skeletons will hurt you, obviously. So if you are going to do this, just make sure you drink a potion. I think we kind of went the wrong way here, so we're just gonna turn around and go towards this way. This is why I say you should use a shield, so you could just hold R here, and that way you won't really take any damage, because if you have the plus 100 HP on top of using the precursor shield, you're really not going to take any damage whatsoever. But yeah, that was the first key. In total, you're going to need 3 key fragments. That's the first one, just on top of the waterfall. I think the second one is just straight over here. Yeah, just like that. So if you kind of look on the map, I'll kind of pull it up once I'm kind of closer here. If you look on the map, we're kind of around right here. This is where the second one is, or the third one. It doesn't really matter in what order you pick them up at. So that's the third one, and then you simply just keep going this way, and then you will find the second one kind of in between all these little big rock crustaceans, or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, this is really simple. Like I said, it's gonna take you maybe 10 minutes in total to do this entire thing. So this is definitely what you want to do first if you're out for relic hunting. Alright, and this is the second one, guys. Just simply pick that one up, and just like that you will find the key map after you find all 3 of them. And now that we have the key map fragment, or the key map, the next thing we're gonna have to do is head over to familiar territory, which is just right here. I'm just gonna cut it up once again, and you guys will see once I get there. Alright, so we just got to familiar territory. If you kind of look on the map here, let me pull it up. We're kind of just right here on this little edge. But yeah, you're just going to want to find this little tower-like area. kind of just climb up it simply like that. And basically the key that we're going to be getting is going to be at the very top of this tower. So just do some parkour, pretty simple parkour, not really too difficult. Pull out my lantern here because it's really hard to see at night. Just kind of go inside and then just like that. So we're gonna climb this little, where is it at here? I think we kind of need to go down a little. Yeah, okay, we need to go down. Really hard to see at nighttime. Just kind of climb up this little ladder right here. Not too difficult. Keep climbing, doesn't really matter. You need to get to the very top anyways. So we're just going to go out this little exit right here. Keep on going up higher. Simply, we are just going to do that. And then we come up here. Just keep going upwards. Come up here. It's another little truss beam we need to go up. Oh, rip. Got to go up from here. There we go. And then, if you guys look over here, you're going to find this little key called the hatch key. You're just going to want to press E on it, and then you will find the hatch key. So now that we have the hatch key, guys, all we simply need to do is head straight back to Arc Isle, and then I will show you guys what to do once we get over there. Alright, so we're back at Arc Isle, and the next thing you're just going to want to do is find this little cabin-like area. If you look on the map, it's kind of right here where my cursor is, kind of where it says U. Just go inside of the little cabin, and then you will find a hatch that you need to open with that hatch key, pretty simply, just like that. Before I go in, let me just chug some potions here. Since you do need to fight a couple things, you can probably skip them, honestly, but I'm gonna fight them just because they do a lot of damage if you try and like not fight them. So just you don't really need to climb down that rope, you can just jump down. Then you just go down this little cave, and then you're going to find, pretty much you're going to find 2 sniper skeletons and 1 crusher skeleton. So this is when you should drink your potions I told you should grab. Just the 100 HP and the 25% damage increase, I think it is. But yeah, we're just going to keep going down here, and then eventually we're going to find the skeletons. Just hold R so you don't take too much damage while you go to them. Not too difficult. I mean, this is a pretty simple fight, especially if you are prepared for it. Alright, apparently they're already dead since this is my private server. Normally there's a sniper right here, a crusher right here, and then another sniper up there. Pretty simple fight though, I mean it's not too hard, especially for you to solo. But yeah, once you kill them all, you could kind of just come straight in here, talk to this fleet captain. Then he's just going to say, you examine his corpse to find a bottle in his grasp. Just press the next button right there. Take the bottle, okay. And just like that, guys, you're going to get the GHOSTBUSTER title, and you will get the Relic Ghost Fleet Cutter ship, and you will get the badge as well, but I already have the badge. But yeah, guys, that's it for this relic. This is a very simple relic, the easiest one in the game. We do have a brand new Discord that I made kind of for me posting my videos, and so that you guys can kind of talk to me and see what's up. But yeah, if you're interested in joining that, you could find it just in the description. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I will make another video when there's more stuff to make videos on. Maybe I'll make a new video of all the new locations of the new gem places for the, what's it called again? Oh god, I always forget the name of this. It's called the, let me find it really quickly. It's called the Inferno Sword. I might make a new Inferno Sword updated video if you guys want that. But until then, I'm Abcpwned, and I will see you guys at the next video.